So, I just realized that I just recorded a video and my voice, you can't even hear my freaking voice. It looks like, and I've had it on for about, I would say 30 minutes now, or yeah. I forgot to include the honey, in which typically I use the honey also included in the whole little mask. So the honey helps soothe the skin and as well as helps it glow. So that's what honey does for your face. So I forgot it and I almost wanted to take this off and reapply and add the honey and stuff, but I'll wait on next time. So it's not bad. It's not a bad combination of what I did use. So it's dropping on my face. So it doesn't really matter for now because I love the honey. But however, I'll just read to you and let you know the benefit of all the things that I have on. The apple cider restores the proper pH levels to your skin, prevents future damage. And also, if you was to take a cotton ball of diluted apple cider vinegar on a age spot, pimples, or acne, it will help reduce their appearance. And as far as the healing clay, it helps to remove toxins from the pores, allows your skin to heal and reduce inflammation, helps in lightening up the acne marks on the skin, and it helps get rid of scar tissue with stretch marks easily and effectively. Turmeric is an anti-inflammatory and has antibacterial benefits which work wonders on problematic skin. It can also be used to reduce redness from blemishes and calm skin conditions like eczema. It's excellent for acne because it is a natural antiseptic and helps to keep bacteria from spreading. It's good too. Almond oil helps keep your skin cells healthy, protects your skin from UV radiation damage, and helps your skin look smooth, soft, and feel free of fine lines. Soft and free of fine lines. Fatty acids help your skin retain moisture and can heal chapped, irritated skin. Plus, the vitamin A can help reduce acne. Tea tree oil can be used to treat skin conditions such as spots, pimples, blemishes, dryness, infections, and other medical conditions such as dandruff and dry scalp. The oil also has antiseptic properties, which can make it ideal for treating and soothing skin conditions. So, those are all the wonderful benefits of everything that I have on my face right now. So, it doesn't hurt to give it a try. As I said before, so I'm going to take a shower and get this off my face and clean up the mess that I've created just by it falling from my face. And a good way to take it off is with lukewarm water. And I prefer to take it off inside the shower. Reason being is because it drips, it creates a mess, and I prefer to contain the mess rather than not. So I'm all about containing the mess, prevent a bigger mess for me to have to clean up, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm gonna go shower while I'm looking like one of the Ninja Turtles. Ninja Turtles. I'm going to be going in with tea tree oil, sweet almond oil, apple cider vinegar, Indian healing clay, and turmeric to create a face mask. Now I'm kind of like, okay, so the tea tree oil I purchased at Walmart, the sweet almond oil, the apple cider vinegar, the healing clay I purchased at Whole Foods, and the turmeric at Ross. This bowl was actually left over from I don't know what. Spoon I'm using to mix is my daughter's spoon. She will not be eating from the spoon, but yeah, because you can't use a metal spoon to mix. It clashes with the products.
So here I'm going to go in with a tablespoon and do 2 tablespoons of the Indian healing clay, like so. All right. Then the turmeric, I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of that. I didn't need that much, but I just was being extra here. You don't need a tablespoon, just a teaspoon will be fine. I just wanted to make sure it lightens my skin. The sweet almond oil, just a couple drops of that. You can eyeball this and it's however to your liking, like so. Tea tree oil, 2 drops of that, like so. I guess I realized at this point my hands was ashy, but you know, whatever. Then apple cider vinegar. I typically don't measure this. I just pour it inside the cup or inside the bowl. But for the sake of the video, I'm measuring it. I would say just enough so that it's liquidy. You don't want it thick because then you'll have a hard time applying it to your face. You'll have clumps instead of more of a liquid form. But you want it thick still. So like so. So I'm just mixing it, stirring it all together, make sure every inch is fully covered or all of it is mixed in completely, like so. So I'm just mixing. This kind of will get a little boring, but you get the idea.
I don't want to say it, but I gotta say it. I don't always like what I see when I look into the mirror. It's hard to see the destiny riding in the middle of the storm.